Hello, I'm Lily, and my partner is Judy. This presentation is going to introduce the current value chain as SDGs positioning of Wyndham Hotel Resort and how to improve the sustainability performance gap of this hotel. Wyndham Hotel Resort is a well-known hotel group in the United States, founded in 1981. It's one of the largest and most diversified hotel group companies in the world. It has nearly 20 brands and more than 9,000 hotels in 80 countries on 6 continents. In this increasingly competitive environment, Wyndham influences the tourism and hospitality industry. Hoteliers pay more attention to sustainable development of enterprise. Wyndham is a company that has made important contributions to SDGs, but they still have some sustainability performance that needs improvement.
In terms of human resource management, Wyndham Hotels and Resorts provides leadership opportunities for female team members, supports the empowerment of women and girls, and introduces the Women in Development Incentive Plan to attract top female hotel developers and entrepreneurs from different backgrounds to achieve the goal of gender equality. In addition to reducing water consumption during operation, the hotel also develops targeted plans based on risk assessments and regulatory changes to respond to water challenges faced by locations where water risks have been identified, and cooperate with suppliers to invest in water-saving technologies for long term to achieve the goal of clean water and sanitation. Because of the continuous expansion of Wyndham Hotels and Resorts in the world, the company provides recruitment opportunities in the tourism industry for many regions, and the hotel at the forefront of industry initiatives to deal with human trafficking and human rights in the tourism industry, which reflects the hotel's effort to achieve the goal of decent work and economic growth in operation. In addition, Wyndham has begun the journey of reducing landfills, and through the Wyndham Green Program, the hotel allows employees to reduce, reuse, donate, and recycle waste from resort properties and corporate facilities to achieve the goal of responsible consumption and production, and reduce its negative impact. Although Wyndham has followed the recommendations of Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change and started to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, seawater, and transfer waste, the measures taken by the hotel are not sufficient to deal with climate change. And in the value chain, the goal of sustainable cities and communities is one of the areas with the greatest impact on enterprises. But Wyndham has not adopted any strategies to achieve this goal in the process of inbound logistics and distributions. So the hotel needs to combine government policies and local conditions to create opportunities for achieving the goal of sustainable development.
For example, with regards to climate action, Australia is strongly promoting emission reduction funds, requiring Wyndham to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, store carbon, and minimize the environmental footprint. Second, about the sustainable cities and communities. The Queensland government created the South East Queensland Regional Plan 2017 towards project planning for long-term sustainable development in Queensland. The plan includes promoting sustainable urbanization, creating more livable urban sites and space for communities, establish sustainable green transportation and land use, and protecting cultural and natural heritage. Wyndham can follow the Australian plan to achieve sustainable cities and community goals. In conclusion, Wyndham Hotel Resorts can do its utmost to reduce the environmental footprint by half, invest trust in social impact, and increase environmental awareness to employees and guests, especially committing adopting a global standard for responsible travel and tourism. Wyndham must try to make the goals in the value chain of gender equality, clean water and sanitation, decent work and economic growth, and responsible consumption and production more perfect. Then log in the remaining goals to start taking action and strive to achieve them.